What's new? Changes and improvements. General. The spelling dictionary will now use a language-neutral word list, and we are trying out syncing this across all devices that use the same Windows account. Users can toggle this feature via Settings, Accounts, Windows Backup, Remember My Preferences, Language Preferences. This currently only works with Microsoft accounts today, with AAD support coming later. File Explorer. File Explorer tabs and navigation updates, which began rolling out to the dev channel with build 25136, are now rolling out to everyone in the dev channel. If you don't see these features right away, please try rebooting. If that doesn't work, please file feedback in Feedback Hub. We're trying out different experiences in File Explorer to show search results. Input. We're adding the Tamil Anjal keyboard for the Tamil language. It's a popular keyboard for inputting Tamil characters, so if you speak this language, please try it out. This keyboard is currently rolling out to a subset of insiders while we evaluate the quality. To add it, once it's available to you, make sure Tamil, India, is listed under Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region, and then click the Next to the language, select Language Options, and add it to the list of keyboards.